For these soaps, I'm going to be doing 3 different designs for the Peekaboo design, and this is a design challenge that I'm doing. I want to kind of go with the fall theme because that is what is, or fall and winter theme because that is what's coming up next. So I'm going to be doing 3 different ones. You basically make a slab of soap dough and then you cut out designs on the surface of that soap dough, and then you create your base soap and do swirls or whatever through that base soap, and then you place the soap dough on top so the design, the colors show through. You can do different colors on the soap dough as well, different designs, different things like that. So I'm going to be doing 3 different ones. This particular batch, I'm going to be going with a fall theme, and the soap dough, excuse me, I actually mixed several different colors together. This was the last of my soap dough, and I really wanted to really blend those up, and they happen to all be fall colors, so I had fun with these pumpkin stencils. And I have some cookie cutters, and I'll probably save these little ones for a different soap. I'll actually have a little bit of batter left over due to the weight of the soap dough, so I may put those on there. Now this one I'm going to be doing a little bit different than the other ones. The others I'm going to be doing different swirls of color. However, the fragrance I'm using for this does discolor to a dark brown, so I'm going to use that to my advantage, and then so I'll just use a natural discoloration of the fragrance. And then I have a little bit of oil and mica. This is Super Pearly White by Brambleberry, and this is King's Gold, also by Brambleberry. This one looks absolutely gorgeous in an oil and mica, but it fades. Actually, it's about this color in cold process, so it really fades in the actual soap, so it makes a really pretty oil and mica. So I'm probably going to do the base with just the fragrance, and then put some swirls on, little drops of that oil and mica, mica and oil, and I think that'll be really pretty. Now the fragrance I'm using, I went ahead and mixed this together. I mixed 3 different scents. 2 of them are, one of them is from AFI, Aromatic Fragrances International, and this one I've got Bourbon Butterscotch. I have, the next 2 are Brambleberry Pumpkin Souffle, and then a little bit of Vanilla Apple Cinnamon. So it's going to be a nice toasty, little bit of a bakery scent for that, so I think that'll turn out really good. For these 3, I'm actually going to emulsify all of the batter at once, just do a super light trace, barely emulsified, and then I'm going to pour them off to do each one individually. So I will go ahead, finish getting ready, and I'll come back when it's time to make the soap.